Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is MAKIA Forex and here's for JPY charts. As you can clearly see, if you have watched my previous videos, you will see me draw these zones, and like I told you guys always, these zones are very important because these zones are led by institutional traders or banks. So these banks, they know about these zones very well. That is why, like this zone in particular, when the banks open their orders here, it moved up to this place, they closed their orders. When price came to this area again, you can see how the wick was formed, a very strong wick on the 4-hour time frame. It means that this zone is a strong zone. This is actually a strong buy zone, if you know what I'm saying. So what are we seeing right now? We're seeing that this pair is going bullish, it's going back bullish, because the bulls that bought here to push prices to this sell zone also bought here with stronger positions, and now we are seeing price trying to break this particular zone, but it's not yet broken. You know, like I told you guys previously, if we want to trade forex, we have to watch the zones, because you can't just buy and sell carelessly. I can't just say buy or sell. You have to watch the zone and see what and see how price react towards those zones. Now what are we seeing? We are seeing clearly right now that price is trying to break through that zone, and probably it will form a wick around here. But if price broke through this zone, we'll have to see a rest. Then after, we can be able to see if price will form a support around the zone and keep moving to the upside. But as of now, for those who are in the premium group, you probably see me draw this signal. I told you guys that price is actually at the sell zone. This is the sell zone, but we are seeing how the zone is being broken with a strong candle. It's not yet broken, but we have to watch and see what happens. So for those who are trading GPJPY right now, you have to wait for the zone to get broken, if you have to get broken, and wait for the retest, because price will actually retest this zone before it moves to the upside. That is if it's supposed to go bullish. But if it's not supposed to go bullish, you will see it form a red candle around this particular area. Probably there will be a fake breakout and you'll see a red candle form around this area. Then price will keep moving to the bearish direction. So I do believe that this pair will likely go bullish, but it all depends on what happens in the next 2 hours or 1 hour, or what happens in the New York session, because as you can clearly see, this pair may likely break the zone, but we have to be careful of false breakout, because these things always happen in the FX market, if you know what I'm saying. But for those who are trying to buy, I think you have to wait for the retest, because when price will break this zone, it will form a retest around this area and form a support around this area before moving to the upside. For those who want to sell, you have to wait to see if this zone will just if the sellers will come strong in this area to push prices to the downside. But I believe that this range is completely broken, and I believe that price may likely go bullish in the next 1 or 2 days, if you know what I'm saying. So for those who are buying, I think in the morning was a very good time to buy. If you bought in the morning, you're very fine. Let me go to the 5 minutes time frame. For those who bought in the morning, you're very fine. But now this is an area where you have to be very careful, because the bears may come in strong, because this is their zone, and they may push prices to the downside. It all depends on what happens in this area. Like I said, trade responsibly and also make sure you manage your risks. So for those who are new to this channel, please hit the like button, subscribe. We also have a group on Telegram where we do share our free signals and free insights on the FX market. Also, we have our recommended broker. If you want to join our broker, I'll leave the links in the description, and that is it for this video. Bye.